Hello, I'm Neil Lewis. I'm the founder of Media Modo, and we help entrepreneurs navigate business liftoff and growth. This video is one of 6 videos exploring the different aspects of the Breakthrough Canvas. We have used and developed the Breakthrough Canvas to provide a tool to help entrepreneurs navigate their way through the various stages of startup and scale-up growth. So the first of the 6 parts of the Breakthrough Canvas is purpose. Let me ask you a question. Are you driven by a purpose to build this business, to create or grow this business? What we've discovered is that obviously in any business, even if it's beyond startup and scale up, resources are always limited, money is limited and time is limited. But there's one thing that startups have which is unlimited, and that is a sense of purpose. And that's why helping entrepreneurs connect with their purpose powerfully enables them to drive forward their businesses, attract resources around them, and actually survive through the difficult times so that they create something that is unique, is original, and in many ways cannot be competed with. So let me ask you a question. What would your friends or your family write on your tombstone? I was in Highgate Cemetery and I was walking up the hill and I saw it on the right. There was a tombstone which was dedicated to a dentist. It said his name, and then beneath that, dentist, but below, this family had written as a joke his phone number. His family were telling us not that he was a dentist, but that he was such a dedicated dentist and so dedicated to his clients and customers that he'd even answer the phone beyond the grave. So the question is, what would your friends and family write on your tombstone? What are the 2 or maybe the 3 areas when you look back through your life, you see these are the connecting points? Or if you are a younger entrepreneur, what do you want to create in your future such that that is then written on your tombstone? Because the crucial thing here is that when you start a business, the business is never complete. It is in progress. So people are not buying your finished product, but in many ways they buy your promises of what it will be. And this is why this saying from Simon Sinek matters. He says that people don't buy what we do, they buy why we do it. So if your why, if your purpose is powerful, if it's connected to who you are, if it's authentic for how other people see you, not just how you see yourself, then people will support you, whether that's by buying your product, by sharing your social media or helping promote your company, or possibly by investing. They will recognize that you will see this business through, whether it is easy or hard. And all of us who've built businesses know that businesses always have periods when they are hard. And your sense of purpose and your connection to it is what drives you, provides you with the energy and the fuel to get through those difficult times. And again, an investor will look at that and recognize that with that fuel, you will make it, you will get to the end. And that's what people want to see. Once you've established your sense of purpose, your business gains in energy. It becomes more exciting, not just for you, but for the team that are working with you, helping to deliver this. It also gives you the freedom to speak openly. You'll no longer need an NDA, a non-disclosure agreement, because actually you want the world to know. And because you have the confidence that this is your purpose, that only you or your team have, you'll not worry about someone trying to copy your business model, because they will always be a second-rate copy of what you do. The other impact of that is obviously that people will get excited and perhaps they'll share your post and share your marketing, so your marketing becomes cheaper, you will reach customers faster, your revenues will move quicker, and overall the business will grow faster and more smoothly. Hence, that's why we place purpose right at the very beginning. The stronger your purpose, the stronger your connection with your purpose, the more powerful your business is and the more successful it will be. So if this taster of the Breakthrough Canvas makes you want to know more, then subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you receive notifications about the other videos that we're producing. And come and join our Facebook group. We are Media Modo Group. There you'll find a free downloadable Breakthrough Canvas that you can use and start to navigate this through by yourself. But also you'll receive the invitations to our free online coaching sessions and the activities and the events that we run across Europe.